No, stop.
Divide by that?
Yeah. And then what that one?
Me?
But I know the kid. He wasn't running. I think he's grade 10.
And then
Comes out 1 times 1.
I
I
can't.
managed to get a match, eh?
Yeah.
Is that he was on the running team and you won? Not this year. I think it was last year. Exactly. That's why I can't explain. I can call these. Oh.
No, I'm serious. Even when I do these, sometimes I go
You
all the
over
way and
there,
I
go
go,
on to the.
I seem to be going in circles here, and I'll just go right back to the beginning and start over again. It happens.
Hopefully this.
Well, it's not like I'm gonna give you 20
I
proofs.
know.
And they're gonna be in a range of abilities.
I don't
some
wanna
of
Are
them
we allowed to
show
use
up
this
don't
on
know.
our test?
Okay, so you want me to show the alternative solution?
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds interesting. And complicated.
Are you gonna do the alternate solution for both sides?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not done yet.
What's your way?
Oh, you're writing that down.
The one that's on the board?
Okay,
That's what we did.
they've got both sides to say coast. It's showing up right around here. There it is. Yours doesn't have to come down to coast. Yours can come down to say coast plus
Secant.
1. It's just that does your left side match your right side? You done?
Just randomly, you don't even finish the question. It's just the same.
Okay?
That'd be a very mean thing to do.
So, the first thing that they said was they said they wanted to make a common denominator. And I commented that you can't, these are not on the same side. So this idea of making a common denominator doesn't apply. But then I said to them, but you could use that to make your form of 1. If these guys were together, what common denominator would you have chosen? 1 minus secant and 1 plus secant? Yes? So,
That just equals 2 seconds.
but if it's a form of 1, what must have been up here as well?
1 plus secant.
Okay, then you go over to the other side and you ask yourself the same question. By the way, I'm doing bad form. I should not be demonstrating that to you.
Bad form. Ooh. I'm gonna do it in that way again. At all times. Wait, what happened?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, and then put it in the.
All right. This one, what form of 1 would you have chose for that side because of this side?
Wait, what? Oh. That's one.
Okay. So there's no harm in looking at the other side and saying, because of what I see over there, I'm going to do something over here. But you can never take that and bring it over here. They'll never mix again. All right, now having done that, I asked them, what would a grade 10 kid do in a case like this?
Foil.
Foil. So what do you think you're going to do? So you can add to your list. Another skill to use is foiling.
Yeah, but that goes into this factoring. I assume
Let's
that's
see, what would we get if we did foil that?
a big. A lot of letters.
A lot of letters. Cos,
Thank you. I was getting tired of doing that.
cos theta.
That looks.
Hang on.
I'm getting dizzy.
Well, wouldn't it just be secant?
Yep.
Cosecant theta?
Cos. Oh, okay.
And then that would be.
Minus
negative
1.
That'd be
Minus
negative
secant.
Yeah, I seen the bug flying around.
Man,
Okay, Look at the denominators. The denominator has one minus secant and one plus secant being times together. Is that the same thing over there?
Yes.
So do I really have to FOIL them out, or have I managed to get the bottom parts already matching?
Yeah. Already.
So I'm not going to work them anymore. I'm going to put all my efforts into the numerators, because the bottoms already match. So don't even waste your time here, unless you really, really have to.
Yeah, but if you don't do that, how are you gonna write the final answer?
Well, you add that into your
So
final
if I
answer.
can get this side and that side to be identical, even with the bottoms matching the way they are,
You would
that's
just,
good enough.
you'd still say left side equals right side.
Oh, okay.
And then you'd write
Yeah.
the top question. You
Okay.
don't write
Yeah,
the
you
middle
write the
question.
original.
You don't write
Okay.
the middle of the question.
Tell me about this.
Well, you could convert that to sine and cosine, I'm guessing.
Okay, which one's going to change?
Secant.
And what secant can be replaced with?
One over.
Oh.
Oh, do we want to change that? We'll leave
Wouldn't
that
that
one
just
for a
equal
moment.
1? Just saying.
If you paid attention in math class, would you understand better?
No.
What would happen now?
Well, it would equal 1.
Okay, this part would equal 1, right?
Yeah. And then you can take the ones out too.
And then you. Oh.
That looks terrible. Well.
People are still waiting.
Oh.
People are still waiting.
Why did the cos theta 1 over cos theta equal 1?
Because they're
What did this over
timesing
this
together.
equal 1? Cos over cos.
They're timesing.
Okay, so it's
They're not adding.
Okay, 1 minus 1. So I now have cos minus secant.
Which is also 1 over. Wait, you can just go to those and see if that equals that.
Now I could keep working this side if I want to. I could change that to 1 over cos.
Yeah.
I
But
could continue.
Let's go to the other side
Let's
now.
go work the other side, and maybe if we're lucky, it'll actually come out to say cos minus secant as well. So what am I gonna do here?
Stop there.
So what do I get when I FOIL this out?
Just take a guess.
1, okay?
Wait, wouldn't that be negative 1?
1 minus secant
Oh, never mind, yeah.
minus plus cos. Minus cos secant.
Again, let's just leave the bottom, it's half the answer already. What do you recommend I do on the top? Oh, wait a second, look at this. I got this and this already matching.
No.
Yeah.
What's the subtract sign?
Yeah, but secant.
Negative
Oh.
secant.
Secant plus cos.
So I'm gonna put all my efforts on the other stuff. What am I hoping is gonna happen?
That cosine and secant will
And it
equal
does.
1.
Don't go, let me finish this.
Lucas.
Let me finish. Okay, go bottom. And what happens here again?
1.
1.
1 minus 1. So
Oh.
it literally becomes the exact same scenario as this side.
Okay. Gotcha.
Now, you're working on section 24. There's like 25 or so questions there. I don't expect you to do them all tonight, but I do expect you to put in a